close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you get. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. Another requested recipe. Come on, let's get started. You guys have been asking me how to make lazy man chicken and rice and peas. I'm gonna show you how we make mine in my kitchen. My chicken is right here, nicely washed and clean. I'm going to put the link below to show you how to wash and clean your chicken right the first time. I'm using a half a chicken. It's pretty big, right? So that's what I'm going to be using. Chicken broth, vinegar, 2 cups of rice, cream of chicken, and some red peas right there. So red kidney beans. If you're using the one in the can, you want to make sure that you wash off that red liquid. And if you're cooking it, the same step. Do not put any red liquid in with this recipe. You're going to need skeleton thyme, onion, tomato. I'm using jalapeno pepper right there, so. Green, yellow, and red bell peppers for this recipe. To spice it up, I'm going to add my coconut cream to that as well. Salt and black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika right there, so. I'm also going to be using my Keith Lauren King Spice collection all-purpose seasoning to it. The link will be down in the description. Go ahead and order yours on his website. Let's get started on this lazy man chicken and rice and peas recipe. Now we're moving on to our very first step. But at this step, you want to make sure that you turn the oven on. The oven is going to be turned on to 375 degrees. My chicken is washed nicely with lemon juice and vinegar. And again, how to clean your chicken, that link will be down below. As well as all your amount for the recipe will also be down below in the description, alright? Let's get started with our lazy man chicken and rice and peas recipe in my Jamaican kitchen. Black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and my King Spice collection all-purpose seasoning goes on. And my vinegar. And what does the vinegar do? It cleanses it from the inside out. Now with clean hands, you want to go ahead and turn the chicken. So you're going to rotate the chicken so the other side could be seasoned as well.
I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase.
Now that you got your chicken nicely seasoned on both sides, you're going to go ahead and add your vegetables in.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Then you want to add your red peas in there, your red kidney beans. Add your coconut milk. Your cream of chicken goes on. And your chicken broth. Now, I'm using white rice. You can use any kind of rice that you choose to use. You want to wash that rice first, and then you want to put it in.
Finding life along the way, melodies.
I'm also going to be adding some butter to it.
No rest.
Right, so we're just gonna go ahead and put that down, stick that down right there, and when that thing starts to cook, that butter is gonna melt. It's gonna be so good. Now y'all, after about 45 minutes in your oven, that is what it's going to look like. It's going to have that nice little color on top. Now you want to make sure that your rice dough is cooked thoroughly. So this is 45 minutes to cook. You see that rice? Look at that. See, that's what that looks like. But you want to go ahead and you want to make sure that you check your rice to make sure that it's cooked. You want to go ahead and kind of give it a little mix just to make sure that you get everything cooked on top. You don't want to have cooked rice at the bottom and tough rice at the top.
Thousands, and we'll grow in number.
You're going to get your foil paper and you're going to go ahead and cover it over. You're going to pop it back inside your oven for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, you are done. So I'll see you back here in 15 to 20. After 20 minutes, we are done. Lazy man, chicken and rice and peas in a my Jamaican kitchen. Like, share, thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.